My name is Henrich. I was born in a usual family. I was not a great, and also I was an introvert person. That's why, in first, I really don't like this type of business because I am afraid to meet people. And also, I was felt in this type of business for 7 years before MCI. Why I start MCI? Because my father said, yeah, long ago, my father had a debt. It's a big debt, and I don't know how to help my family to get out from this situation. Every day, debt collectors called my father and came to my house. He was afraid, so I had no other option. I tried MCI. I learned how to start this business with hope this will make my situation change. And what? Because of MCI, my life has been changed. My father's debt has been paid from MCI bonus. I get married, go around the world, and because of PSN sports, I turned from an unskilled person and afraid to meet people to become a very confident person and always happy. If not of because of MCI, maybe my life will not be the same. I have a dream house now, some cars, and I built a fast and furious cars that I dreamed long ago. In fact, I really afraid that will not be come true because I don't have money long ago. Now I have money from MCI and I make my lovely family happy. Whoever you are, whatever your background was, I believe you can succeed in MCI.